Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and we have some more Pixel rumours, but not about the phone this time. There's been a brand new leak on a new thing called the Pixel Pass, and today we're going to be seeing exactly what it may offer, what kind of price it's going to come in at, and if it's actually going to be worth it. So let's take a look. So what is the Pixel Pass? Well, it's a brand new subscription service that basically addresses everyone's mobile needs end to end direct from Google. Now it's kind of like Apple One, which Apple announced not too long ago, which is a subscription service for a reduced cost where you can get a ton of cloud services from Apple in one monthly amount. So you can get things like Apple Arcade, Apple Music, some iCloud storage, plus a little bit more, all for one monthly amount, and Google are trying to do pretty much the same sort of thing, but with some additional features on board. And that something extra is an actual device. With Apple One, you get everything in terms of their cloud subscription services, but you don't actually get a device. If you want to buy an iPhone, it's going to be a completely separate contract or a different cost. However, with the proposed Pixel Pass, you're going to get a brand new Pixel device plus access to pretty much all of Google's cloud services. And that's going to include some of their services like YouTube Premium, YouTube Music, Play Pass, Google One, and also Google Fi if it's available in your area. However, if you don't want to go with Google Fi, you can also go with any other carrier that may be available in your area as well. So that sounds like a pretty good deal. Now there is a little bit more leaked information which I'm going to put on screen which kind of goes over in a little bit more detail, but basically you can get this service direct from Google Fi or from the Google Store, depending again on your region and what kind of carrier you want to go with in terms of your mobile network. One thing to note though is if you already have some active subscriptions, say for YouTube Premium, then this is a service that you may not be able to get, and there's a little bit of a grey area around that, whether you can cancel your YouTube Premium to then get this brand new Pixel Pass, or whether it will come at a reduced cost, or if you can't get this deal at all, it's a little bit hard to tell at the moment, and the information on that isn't too clear at the moment. Now along with the device and the cloud services, you will also get an extended warranty for your device as well, so again that's something that a lot of people sometimes pay for separately or get a separate insurance deal for, so to get an extended warranty all bundled into this one price is pretty cool to see. So what is it going to be priced at? Well, again, nothing's actually been released just yet. However, if we use Apple One as a kind of baseline, we can get a rough idea in regards to how much they're offering for their, cloud services and things to get a rough idea of the price. Now with Apple One, you've got basically three different kind of tier structures in terms of price. The cheapest being $14, and that just gets you access to four of the main services, including Apple TV, Music, Arcade, and a little bit of iCloud storage. And then you can go right up to $29 per month, which gets you every single one of their services, including the Apple News and also the Apple Fitness app, which you don't get with some of the lower tier options. Now I've got a list of Google services here that they're going to be offering in the Pixel Pass, along with a Fi deal for a brand new device. It's actually for the Galaxy Fold 3 on Google Fi, but again in terms of the cost of the device being around $1,000 or so, I think that's going to fall a little bit in line with what we're going to be getting with the Pixel 6 to kind of get an understanding of what the monthly cost is going to be overall. So first up we have YouTube Premium, which also includes YouTube Music, coming in at around $11.99 per month. You've then got Google One, and with this one I went for the 200GB storage option, coming in at around $2.49 per month. The Play Pass comes in at $4.99, and then lastly you do have the Pixel 6, or the supposed price of the Pixel 6, which I think is going to be around $35 per month for the device, and then you're looking at around $60 per month for Google Fi. So in total you're looking at around $114 worth of services and devices. So what is that price going to look like? Because like I mentioned with Apple One, they do have a reduced cost, so is Google going to do something similar? Well, in all honesty, I think that they could do. If they tie you into some sort of contract where you have to keep paying for these services and you have to keep paying for the device, they can kind of do what they want. It's like if you get a mobile contract out, yes, okay, you may not use all of your data in a month, but you still have to pay for it. And I think Google's going to have the same approach with the Pixel Pass. So while you may not use everything that's going to be included, like the 200GB of cloud storage, and you may not even want to use the Music Premium side of things, again, you're paying for it, it's there, and it is an option. So I think that Google can subsidize the cost ever so slightly to take that sort of thing into account. Now the ideal price point for me is probably around the $60 mark in regards to getting everything in terms of services, device, reduced costs, and that complete Google Fi experience with the brand new Pixel 6. Now realistically it may come in a little bit more, maybe around $90 to $100, but I think for Google to really stay competitive they need to kind of keep it under that $90 to $80 mark, so that again people have an incentive to get all of these services in one. Now don't get me wrong, you can get all of these services separately, sometimes there's deals on where you can get maybe 3 months free of YouTube Premium, for example. So again, people may not want to use every single service on board, but if it comes in at a really great affordable price, I think this is something that a lot of people may get on board with. And it's also a great way for Google to shift some Pixel devices. Now, don't get me wrong, the Pixel 5 and the A line of devices from Google have done pretty well in the past, but they're not the best selling devices out there. In most cases, when you go into a phone shop these days, you're asked if you want the brand new iPhone or the brand new Galaxy device from Samsung, and that's kind of all the sales guy is going to discuss. If you know about other devices like the Pixel 5 or 5a, for example, then yes, you can get some really good deals on them at the moment, but it's not one of those go-to devices. Again, if there was a little bit more incentive around that, then I think they may start to push Google devices a little bit more in carrier stores and just in general with advertising. But the main purpose for this video, of course, to make you aware of the Pixel Pass, but to get a bit of feedback from you guys with regards to if this is something that you would do, if it's something you've ever considered in regards to all of these different services, and what kind of price point would you want to pay for it. I'll be hanging out in the comments section down below, so let me know any of your thoughts and opinions, and I'll do my best to respond to as many comments as I can. If you enjoyed this video and you're looking forward to the brand new Pixel 6 and also the possible Pixel Pass, then let me know by leaving a thumbs up down below. If you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And once you've hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.